Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, then you are most welcome. So today's video is going to be very short. It is just a video that is going to be showing you how to get that perfect pepper mix for your jollof rice. If you're wondering why your jollof rice has not been smoky, it's not giving you that smoky effect, or it's not red, or it is not giving you that patty jollof rice effect, then this video is for you. You can see how this pepper mix is very thick, very red, and looks very nice. Yeah, so this is how I got this perfect paste. This is my my Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm just going to be putting that in my baking tray. And I'm going to sprinkle some vegetable oil on it, as I'm doing in this video. Yes, this is 100% like results. You get your perfect jollof rice this way. So I'm just going to be putting that in my oven. My oven was already on and it is hot. So I'm going to be placing that in my oven, and I'll keep stirring at interval because it can burn. If you leave it unattended, you might get there and most parts is burnt. So this is it. It is ready. I've been stirring at interval, and because I don't have two oven trays, so I divided my pepper into two parts. Yeah, this is the Scotch bonnet and the chili pepper. So now this is my onions and my tomato with my garlic and ginger. Yes, you can skip if you're not a lover of ginger, and if you're not a lover of garlic, you can also skip. But you see this garlic, no. So I'm just going to be repeating the same thing I did for the pepper, and I'm going to be putting my tray inside my oven. Yeah, and keep stirring at interval. Like I said, I think this should be ready in 40 minutes. So this is the pepper, and I'm just going to go straight to blending. Mind you, when you put it in your blender, just add little water. Yes, little water. Don't put plenty water. The reason why we roasted our pepper in the first place is to make the water from the pepper dry, and to give it the burnt kind of effect, the smoky, taste. So that is it. So I'm just going to be blending. You can see I added little water. Because I added little water and the water wasn't enough, that was why it was not blended. So I added another little water to it. You get? So I'm just going to blend and blend and blend until very, very smooth. Blend until very smooth, like very smooth. Yes. So this method of cooking jollof rice has been the best so far. Trust me. This way I don't get to blend my pepper, I don't get to blend my fresh pepper and boil it. You understand? I just roast it, bring it out from the oven, blend it. You get? And this way, when I cook my jollof rice always comes out, oh God, like it comes out so delicious, comes out so red, comes out, gives you this patty jollof rice smoky effect. It is so nice. So guys, please try it, and if you get to like it, please like this video, subscribe, and please comment. I'll be waiting for your comments. I would be waiting for your feedback. Yes, because trust me, I know this is going to be very nice, very nice. So this way you can use this pepper mix for your jollof rice, you can use it for your stew, you can use it for anything you use pepper for. You can use it for anything. You can see how this is so smooth. The consistency is perfect, very, very perfect. You can see how thick, how red, and again the smell, the aroma of this is something else. Trust me, it's going to turn your kitchen upside down in a good way. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for the love, thank you for the support, and do have a nice day. Bye.